How does the coronavirus affect the body? So the coronavirus has protein spikes on the outside, and inside is genetic material. Think of those protein spikes like a key. The virus is looking for another cell, another living host that has the right receptor or lock. Once the coronavirus locks into a cell, it will use the cell's machinery to replicate more of the coronavirus. The two cells that it attacks are going to be mucus producing cells and ciliated cells, which are both in your lungs. So once the coronavirus attacks these cells, it's going to use the cells so much that they die. When they die, they're going to slough off into the airways, filling your lungs with debris and fluid. That's why it's difficult to breathe. Many times, once you get infected with COVID-19, which is the illness that is caused by the coronavirus, people can get pneumonia. Now, once this happens and the lungs are inflamed, will cause a really extreme immune system response, which can make your pneumonia worse. How it specifically affects the body is it is going to create alveoli, which are the air sacs in your lungs that exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide. It's going to make them more permeable, which means fluid is going to leak into the lungs. So take a look at this picture right here. The lungs fill up with fluid. In that case, you can't breathe, right? This is why people require ventilators to aid in their breathing. So COVID-19 is going to potentially cause lung damage or death. And the extreme immune system response is going to create a cytokine storm, which basically means all areas of the body are inflamed, and it becomes very difficult for oxygen to reach the organs in the body, and ultimately it may result in multi-organ failure in the body. This is Ms. Cotran, and that's how the coronavirus affects the body.